Hello everybody, welcome back to Papers, Please, where we last left off. I accidentally killed 3 guards. Yeah, might be. And we're continue, we're going to keep on playing, and yeah, stuff. I can't let you in, dude. See these numbers? Yeah, they don't match up. What are you talking about? I'm talking about this thing with the big red stamp on it. Yeah, you can't get by. Now get out of my face. Hello, Glory Tolstoyska. Ariana Jane. I gotta look at all these stupid ID native stuff. Wizenfield. Okay, that's legit. 49162. God, they're like getting like a really thing about this now. Like it's getting really scary. Yeah, yes. Glory Tolstoyska. I love how it said last time, you let possible smuggler through, and then she walks up and kills everybody. Hello, Messi of any Garika 4780989 Kigs 182 M 847816 versus Yellow District, I remember. Okay, I think you're good, buddy. Yeah, here you go. Great touch. Yeah. You see people? I'm looking for engineers. Do me a favor. Give me a card to any engineer you meet. I come back in a few days, pay you 5 credit for engineers that calls. Oh, okay, so doing engineers. How many papers did you give me? Okay, I want those 5 credits, so I probably need like all those 5 credits. So any engineer, I'm just gonna toss them in. Hello. You just transit to country, Ryan Gargo High. Wait, hold up. Oh, wait, no, that's legit. SULTLGPD, tow 21, 841, you're female, alright. Dun, dun, dun. Just transit, that's what you said. 2 weeks, alright. Wait a second. Hold the phone. Whoops. Stop. Oh yeah, that's legit. Okay. Approve. I approve you. Oh. Approve. No, I meant it! I said it! Yeah, I know. Trip just visiting. Are you? Rosalina Maria BLTV. What? Impressive. You bother with little brother with a little plague. What? I don't know what you're talking about. She knows too much. Wait, did you say visit? 8 weeks. Okay. I guess you're legit, girl. Here you go. Find a better plague. This one looks like a cheap shit. Well, you look like cheap! I mean plaque. I guess plague or plaque, I don't know. Hello, duration trip, just visiting. How long? 2 months? Alright. Well, yeah, but you're not visiting this place. You gotta enter using these documents. I could not come until now. Yeah, well, I couldn't hit this red button till now. Bada bing! Go visit your house back at home. Ooh, get this, son. Ooh, do a little dance. Gonna diss you. Ooh, work. Alright, Igor. Vedovador. Yeah, it's legit. Is always that stamp, but yeah, stamp was legit. MV15, ep.6. Igor Fedormore. Would you say 6 months? 6 months. Alright. Well, you look pretty good, Igor. So I'm just gonna stamp this right here. Hand you that. Move that. Hand you that. Yeah. The guy told me to give people that because he wants people to probably work on a atomic bomb or something. Peppers, please. What do you want? Only to visit. Duration of stay. I stay for a few months. Okay. Well, if this is legit, Brian Stenzikoviski. Okay. Well, this looks legit. MOA. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Was it the first one I had? Yeah, it's the first one. Hello, papers, please. There's a trip. I visit friends. I stay 1 month. Well, okay. Stay 1 month. I might be able to make that. What the heck? You gotta be kidding me! What the heck? Again? You doesn't. What the fuck? Oh my god. Needs medicine. A strange man brought you money again. Uncheck to burn it. Ho! I can't do it. I gotta keep it under the. Gotta keep it under. Okay, my son. 40 bucks. I gotta keep it under. I can't let the people know that I'm part of this. Yeah, we are clearly sucking at this. Can I scan those Clogakians again? That was the third time they bombed us. Just send them through. Well. Oh, now we got IDs. That's a couple of days. Long hair. That's not long hair. Is it? Man, I don't know. Expiration date. Ooh, cut that one close. 48 K's 167. Is that right? That doesn't seem right. I don't know what the height law is. Okay, well. Shut up. I don't know. Okay? Well, I don't know. Natalia Atunas. Okay, guys. Well. Oh, wait, never mind. Forget that. Okay. Yeah, you look good, my good lady. So, here you go. We'll let you through. There you go. Boopity boop, scoopity boop, boopity boop. Cause no trouble. Oh, hello. Hello. Latrika. Alexander. 16. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's legit. You're legit. You look like a good man. Here you go. Get out of my face. Rodzotska. Yes, glory. What? If you're an invalid expiration date. Whoopsie. Oh. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pause it right here. Sorry for this short video, but I got someone's knocking at my door and I'm gonna go check. So I'm the Nasher, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye!